Hi guys, this is Lucas from Lucas World, and this is Vivienne.
Hi.
Today we have some new Happy Meal toys, and this time they're Hasbro Games. So let's check them out. There's 8 to collect, and we have them all. So let's pull out the first one.
Oh, that's Pie Face.
It is Pie Face. Cool.
Lucas Happy Toy does a Pie Face.
So let's cut the bag open and see how this game looks. Is it gonna be exactly like Pie Face?
Yes. This one is Pie Face.
So there's the Pie Face. We have some numbers on here and some instructions. So let's check that out. This is not any ordinary Pie Face though, because this one you use a dice instead of a spinner. But first we're gonna have to make that dice. Now that we have our dice, we can play our game. But we're not using any whipped cream here. Otherwise, Happy will not be happy getting a whipped cream into the face. But to actually play this game, you need to turn this knob like an ordinary Pie Face, depending on what number on the dice you get. For instance, 6. If you could get the pie splatter into Happy's face, that player is out. If you don't, the turn passes on to the next player. So let's play. I'll go first.
Okay.
2. 1, 2. Okay, Vivi, your turn.
Okay, I'll go 5. 5!
She predict the future. 1. Oh yeah, you can do it.
1.
Here we go.
1, 2,
3. Oh! You get the pie splatter in the face. By the way, look at Happy's face. He's so happy when he gets the pie splatter in his face. And when he does it, he's just regular. Still has that smile though. Now let's move on to the second toy.
Oh, it's a train.
Nope, it's a mouse trap. Now let's check out this game. Here is our mouse trap. And here's our mice we're gonna use for the trap. And here are our instructions. All we have to do now is stack these mice pieces on to Happy's hand. Now we're going to remove the mice one by one, and if the trap falls, that player is out. All right, Vivi, you go first.
Okay. 4.
Okay, she's safe. Her mouse escaped. Yes! The red one's the fat one.
Yes.
Oh, green. Yes! Close match. Oh! Vivi lost! Of course it was the fat mouse. Here we go. Toy number 3.
Oh, this is Hippos Hungry.
Oh yeah, it's the game Hungry Hippos. Let's get it out.
Yeah, this is a move thing.
So here's the game. Now let's get out the instructions. See how to play. This is like that Peter Rabbit game that was also in Happy Meals toys. So all you have to do is press this button and the Hungry Hippo will try to eat the ball. And whoever has the most balls is the winner. If there's a tie, whoever gets the golden ball first is the winner. So Vivi, let's play.
Yes.
Ready, set, go. Oh, we have to tilt the ball. Oh, okay, never mind. She already got one. No, this isn't good. Wait, hold on, we have to tilt it a little so the other balls get to in action. And go! Oh, almost got the golden one. Oh, you got the golden one! I'm up. No! I spit it out!
Yeah, I got the white one.
Oh, the balls are stuck. More tilting time.
Oh, I got them. Yeah.
No! Wait, Vivi got all the balls? Oh no, I got one. Yay! I think I lost. Well, Vivi, you are definitely the winner.
Yeah, I won.
Now let's get the 4th Happy Meal toy.
Yay. Ooh. What's this?
And it's Trouble. Let's cut the bag open.
Yay.
And here's everything. stickers, the game board, which is actually puzzles,
Oh, these are puzzles.
the instructions, and the dice. Okay, Vivienne, you'll do the puzzle while I check the instructions.
Okay. Okay, ta-da!
You're already done?
Yes.
Well, that was quick. This is a board game for 2 to 4 players, and you start in a corner with 3 tokens, and you have to go all around into your home. Whoever gets all 3 tokens in their home wins, and the moves are depending onto this dice, which is automatic when you press the top. Like that. If the dice rolls happy, then you can either choose to move a token onto the board, or if you already have one on the board, you can move to the next happy spot. We're gonna play it the fast way. I have 1 token, she has 1 token. Now let's go.
You have 5.
5. Oh, I need a happy to get onto the board. All right, Vivi, your turn. Oh, come on, why does she get happy? All right, you get to go here. 4. You're already in Red's territory. 3. Yo, I'm definitely gonna lose this. 1. Oh, you get a happy. Happy, finally! Yes! You move 1 on happy. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm on your token. Yay. We're tied. Vivi, you know what just happened? Since I landed on your space, you have to go all the way over here. Sorry. 3. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your turn. Please don't get a happy. 1. 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm in my territory. 2. Nope. 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I win! Finally, a board game win for me. All right, Happy Meal toy number 5. Oh, it's Bop It! I love this game. But first, let's pull the toy out.
Oh.
It looks like we also have some sort of dice. Now that we have our dice, let's see what we can do with this Bop It game. On this dice, there are signs that say twist it, pull it, switch it, spin it, bop it, and happy. And based on these actions on the dice, you get to play this game. So if it's twist it, you have to twist it. So if you land a bop it, you get to choose 2 actions to add. And if you get happy, you get to choose any action. So for instance, I choose pull it. So who's gonna lose it? The guy that makes a mistake. So I'll go first.
Okay.
Switch it. All right, I switched it. Vivi, roll the dice. Pull it. Okay, you did it. Switch it again. Yay, I got 2 in a row. Pop it. You get to choose 2. Pull, switch, whatever you want. Pull and switch. She did exactly what I said. Great. Oh no! Robin, no. That was very bad. Let's do it again. So apparently it's a never-ending game when you use the dice. So we're going by saying it. Okay, Vivi, what do I do?
Twist it.
Done.
Pull it.
Done.
Twist it.
Done. That's it?
Yes.
All right, here you go. Spin it. Pull it. Twist it. Oh, that was spin. Yeah, I won. There you go. There's the twist it.
I win.
No, you lost.
No, you lost. I win.
All right, 6 toy. Come on. Oh, what's this? It's Guess Who! I love this game too! So let's pull it out. Here are the instructions and Guess Who cards. And we have cards with Happy doing different activities. And here are our boards that we'll use for the guessing game. To play this game, players take turns asking questions about the happies that's supposed to guess. Whoever guesses the happy character correctly first is the winner. For instance, is your happy Cristiano Ronaldo? If their answer is yes, I win! But we're not going to play this game because it's for older kids. You see, she can't guess questions and stuff like that. So let's move on to another Happy Meal toy.
With the cars.
Okay, here you go. What is it? It's Battleship! Oh, I love this game!
Okay, let's cut.
Here are the instructions. And here's the game board.
Ah.
This is a game for 2 players, but this time we're guessing where the battleships are, and we'll write down where the coordinates are to sink them. We're gonna use this pencil to mark down the battleship's position, and X means direct hit, and circle means water or a miss. So let's do it.
C3.
Direct hit. Now you put an X at C3. Now I'm going. Well, let's see here. A7.
Water.
Oh, come on. Circle. Hey, what are you doing looking over here? Where's your pencil? Do your guess.
C4.
C4. What are you looking at my board again? This is yours. Alright, C4. You sunk my battleship! No! That was my boat. So let's put this to the side and get the last game. That's Connect 4! So let's cut the bag open and get this cool game out.
What is this?
I already said it's Connect 4. You're gonna love it, baby. To play this game, you have to drop your game pieces into the place and get 4 in a row to win. So I'm just about to get my game pieces out and we're gonna play. You can get 4 in a row in 3 different ways. Horizontally, vertically, and diagonally. And youngest players go first.
Okay, my turn.
Alright, where are we putting it? Right there. So I'm gonna go in the middle.
No?
No? What do you mean no?
Can I go first?
Oh, the piece got stuck. Guess it's this time. And there we go.
Oh, thank you.
Now I'm gonna stack my way up. She won't know what I'm doing.
Okay, I go here.
She's also stacking up. I'm gonna reach 4 first. You have to block me. It's my last piece. She isn't. Yes! I win the last game! 4 in a row! You were so close, Vivi. You just had to block that last one I put.
No.
Otherwise, you would have gone 4. Maybe. Well, it's always easier to beat the younger player, but when I play my dad, it's a whole different story.
One.
Look, she got 5 in a row. It's a new game! Connect 5. Well, here are all the Hasbro Gaming Happy Meal toys we got today. I really love the Battleship and the Mousetrap. That was really fun. Which one was your favorite?
This one.
Oh, she liked Trouble. Well, what do you think, guys? Which game is your favorite? Well, that'll be all for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.